Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhavna Solanki. Today we are going to start with a new journey of learning Python programming language. This is a class 1 tutorial, and in this tutorial class we are going to learn about the basics thing. What is Python? Why we should learn Python? What are the features of Python? What are the drawbacks of Python? All these things we are going to discuss. Mostly industries like web development, automation, artificial intelligence, they use Python programming language. And if you want to make your career in data analytics or data science field, you should know at least one programming language. That is why I'm going to make this video to make you aware what how important the programming language is. This programming language, Python programming language. I know there are n number of videos available in this about Python programming, but I just want to enhance my knowledge, what I know that I want to just share with you all. That is why I'm making this video. If you like this video, do subscribe and share with all your friends. So, not wasting much time, let's start with today's topic. So let's start with what is Python. Python is high-level general-purpose programming language developed by Mr. Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is simple, easy to learn, and widely used in industries such as web development, automation, and artificial intelligence, and most importantly, data science and for data analysis. I have given an example here. You can write Python code like this: print hello data science with Python. A sixth grade child also can write this code. It is that simple. Let's learn some features of Python. Simple and easy to learn. Syntax is close to English. If you know a little bit of English, you can write Python code. Interpreted language, no need for compilation, runs line by line. So, what does mean? What is interpreted language and compilation that I will explain in our next slide with example. Let's see what is next feature of Python, that is open source and free. It is anyone can download and use it. Python extensive libraries. Python has extensive libraries, so many libraries available in Python like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, etc. Cross platform, works on Windows, Macs, Linux, any platform you can use Python. And then supports multiple paradigms. Multiple paradigms means we a style or an approach to write a Python code. In procedural paradigm, mostly focuses on sequence-wise instructions. Then in object-oriented, mostly focuses on grouping of data into class and object. And in functional, what does functional paradigm means? In functional paradigms, inbuilt functions are available in Python. You can directly use that inbuilt function to write the code. Then large community support, active global community for help and resources. So let's learn what this compiler means. Other languages like C++, then Java, they use compiler to write the code. So there are some key points about compiler. What exactly compiler does? Compiler translates, converts human readable code into machine readable code. High level to low level takes source code written by the programmer, written by any other language, and produces executable code. Whole program typically it translates the entire program at once before running it. But what about error detection? So it identifies syntax error, type errors, or other mistakes during the compilation process. And optimization it improves the code to make it run faster or use less memory. Though it is faster, but it will take so many lines to write the code. You need to write so many lines to for the final result. But whereas in Python, what does Python interpreter mean? When you write the Python program, the Python interpreter executes the code line by line instead of compiling the whole program into machine code first. What exactly Python interpreter do? Let's suppose we have an example here. We have to write the code like this: print hello world. Variable A has assigned value 5, variable B has assigned value 10, and you want to print A plus B. So what it will do, it will read the first line and execute, then it reads the next line, assign value to A and B, then executes the last line, prints 50. So what is the main difference between interpreter and compiler? Compiler translates the whole program first, then executes it, whereas an interpreter translates and runs the program line by line. This is the main difference between compiler and interpreter. Why Python for data science and data analytics? Mostly people like data scientists and data analysts, they use Python programming for their day-to-day life work. So why? So because of it has very easy syntax, helps focus on problem solving instead of complex coding. Powerful libraries, pandas for data manipulation, numpy for calculation, matplotlib, cbon for visualization. So you can use Python programming language for multitasking work. Integration works well with databases, big data tools, and machine learning frameworks. So you can integrate Python programming language with any other programming language. Like you can integrate with SQL, you can integrate with PHP, you can integrate with Java, C, C++. Scalability can handle small data sets as well as massive data pipelines. Community and industry demand. Most of the companies require Python for their data related roles. Companies like Netflix, YouTube, Google, they use Python programming for their data related roles. So I have given you the overview about Python programming language. Now, Python also has some drawbacks. So let's learn some drawbacks of Python. Slower execution speed compared to C++ or Java because it's interpreted. I already explained you what does interpreted means. High memory consumption, not always suitable for memory intensive tasks, not ideal for mobile development, rarely used for mobile apps. Global interpreted low limits true multi-threading performance. So these are some drawbacks of Python. So I have given you the overview about Python. In our next class, we will learn how to install Python programming language in our Windows. Thank you.